The exit of Nakumatt Supermarkets from a number of urban shopping malls has contributed to a reduction in demand for mall spaces in various outlets, as research by Cytonn Investments on real estate shows. It says that increasing supply of spaces and a wait-and-see approach during this electioneering period have contributed to this downward trend.
The exit of Nakumatt Supermarkets from various malls has caused a ripple to its business counterparts. Mall spaces appear to be losing their lure and in turn causing an increase in supply of spaces, applying a downward pressure on commercial property prices. A real estate report by Cytonn Investments notes that the supply of retail spaces in Nairobi has increased by 41.6%, that's in the last 1 year. This high supply has led to low occupancies and in turn low rental returns, especially within the capital.
In terms of recent developments in the industry, we've seen institutionalization, a lot of institutionalized real estate happening around. We've seen also issuance of the development of the REITs as an alternative way to exit your real estate, and gaining traction, especially with Bahari, although more is going to be done around it.
The winds facing Nakumatt Supermarkets seem to have crossed to other sectors as businesses will surround their chains to cash in on shoppers visiting the outlets. On the flip side, the report notes that there is an opportunity for growth through foreign direct investment as international outlets jostle to take up Nakumatt's rental spaces.
International grade malls came as market reacts to oversupply and differentiation. We realize that more sophisticated and better spaces are being issued. The outlook of the sector in general remains positive, returns compared to other asset class, traditional asset class, and also in terms of comparing to typical within the sector.
In the estates, shopping outlets seem to have given main malls a run for their money as buyers opt for convenience shopping. It is this positioning that has endeared developers to set up a shop close to upcoming estates. The research that informed this report was carried out in main towns of Kisumu, Mombasa, Nairobi and Nanyuki. It further notes that the lack of credit and a tough business operating environment in this electioneering period has dampened demand for commercial housing. It further notes that the lack of credit and a tough operating business environment in this electioneering period has dampened demand. Laban Cliff Onserio, NTV Business.